Installation, did you take any session?
No, this is a
Okay.
continuous session actually.
Okay.
After the AD installation and
Mm.
the last week, that is a AD, the domain name is wipro.com. I hope you
Yeah.
remember.
Yeah, I remember.
Remember, right? So
Yes.
the today two concepts I'm going to take care. The concept is the first one is a file share. File share. So how to enable the file share and how we can get it. Okay, how we can get it. So basically, in that architecture, in this architecture, you can see here. Now this a wipro.com is there, and now the one system is the name is LIC, and another one the system is XDC01. Okay, right. There's a two systems already created, and two more systems I'm planning to create it. Okay, two more systems I'm planning to create, but today I'll create a only one server. The server name is STF01 server I'm going to create. This server, I'll make it join into the domain member. Then, okay, like this. So, okay, then I'll be promoting this system to STF01 to wipro.com. This is the first scenario I'm going to do now. So first I need to create the server, STF01 server I need to create. So going to AWS environment, I'm creating a new mission. I'm creating a new mission. As discussed, name is STF01 server, the Windows operating system, and operating system of the server is 2016 base. Then after I need to select the instance type is T2 micro, don't change anything. Key pairs is this one I'm selecting. In the last week, I have created Windows key pair. And networking side, I'm using existing default network I'm selecting. Okay, default network I'm selecting. By default, 30 GB storage. I'm creating only one server here. I'm going to create a only one server here. Once I click finish, the server is created. Now you can see here now STF01 is readily available. So we can connect the server. We can connect the server by using the public IP address of this, and I would connect it through remote desktop connection management. Okay, right click, add server, and what is the name of the server is STF01. Perfect. So the server is readily available or not, we need to check that. So right now it is initializing. And wait for another 1 more minute. Then we can extract the password and we can log into the system. We can log into the system. Now the server is ready and go to connect, RDP client, password. Now we need to wait for 4 minutes to extract the password because there's a time taking for password creation from the PIM file. the password PIM file will get attaching to the virtual machine. So that's reason we need to wait. We don't have any other option. Go back to the main console and make sure you have to refresh the main console. Then you can select and you can extract. It may help to. Now I'm selecting the server, connect. Now it's working fine. Upload a key pair file, copy the password. Now can connect the server. Right click, username is backslash administrator. Connect. So now this machine is work group computer. So make sure this machines I need to join to the domain number. So already have connected to Active Directory. So in the Active Directory, so if you go to dsa.msc, we have a Active Directory users and computers console. There you can find out any computers, any users already available. We can expand this and we have the computers list. There's only 2 computers are there. And I need to add STF01 as well. So first, make sure you need to check the connectivity from the STF01 to AD server. Copy paste is not working properly.
Select and Control C, then Control V.
No, actually, the maybe mouse is jumping.
Uh-huh.
Maybe mouse is jumping here. That's the reason it's not working. One 172.31. 43,193. Now it successfully is responding from the AD. The communication is good.
Okay.
Next step is I need to disable the firewall on this computer. Okay. The next step is go to Start and click on File Explorer, go to this PC, Properties, and the computer name I need to change here. So the computer name is STF01, and parallelly you can change the domain name as well. So domain name is wipro.com and click OK. And now it will showing error because of that the DNS address was not updated in the network control panel. So go to ncpa.cpl, select Ethernet properties, and you need to uncheck the IPv6, go to IPv4. Now following the DNS address, you can please update it. There's a 172.31.43.193. Done. Now click OK. It will prompt the username and password to join the system into the domain control number. So here this username and password must be a domain user only. The user have a full admin control. Example, I have already a user is created. So AD admin. So this AD admin is already member of domain admin group. So that I'll be using AD admin to join the missions to the domain member. So I'll show you how to create a domain administrator account. So first of all, you can create a username like this. And what are the name you like? And next, and provide the password. Once you click finish, you can go to the user, a member of, click add domain admins. Domain admins you can provide. And you can apply and OK. This is the same way method I created AD admin. OK. Now I'm going here. I'm providing the username is AD admin and password. Now this machine is joined to the domain member and you'll get a message. And click OK and close it here and restart the computer. Meanwhile, you can go to Active Directory server, go to computers. Right now, 2 machines only is there. You can go here and click on refresh. Now, STF01 also added. STF01 also added. Perfect. So once the machine is successfully rebooted, I can connect with the AD admin account only. So I can perform any kind of task inside this server. So this is a way a server can be a member of domain member and you can log in with a domain administrator account after join the domain member role. Any questions here?
No, sir. One
Okay.
second, Rajesh.
Hmm.
See, in the AD, we go create a new user, add the user to that, right?
Hmm.
Uh, and then come to this system and log in with that user which is created.
Hmm.
Yes. Now here, what we have done is we created a user, but we logged into the system using the AD admin, right?
I just created a name is Rajesh, but I was not using that. So I'm going with AD admin. Okay. Common name.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay. So now this is a server. It's a member of the domain controller. There you can install any application server or maybe web server, database server, anything you can do that. Okay. Clear? So just give me a minute. Okay. So we will start installing the web role on this mission and we can deliver the application. Okay. Web application. So next step, I'm going to make it this server as a web server. Okay. So what is the purpose of web server we are installing? So we are delivering any kind of applications through web. We are delivering any kind of content through web. Okay. So that's the purpose we are using it. That's a basically web. And also the web server, which will giving a front end authentication, will connecting to the backend environment. Directly, you're not able to connect. So the front end server will be act as a web server. So now this server, if you want to install any application, so copying the software into this server and installation is a second step. So every time copying the software to the local machine to the virtual machine in the cloud, it's taking a lot of time. And sometimes in case of any network delays or network interruption, the software copying will be disturbed and you need to copy once again from the starting onwards. So to avoid this, so mainly one of the server in your network will make it as a network file share, and the particular network file share can be accessed from anywhere in the uh, domain join missions, and you can copy the software and you can start accessing the common share file location. So right now in this AD server, C drive, the particular folder I'm going to make it is a. So already the software is available in this particular directory. This particular C drive, I'm going to make it is share permission for everyone to log into the system. So now go to the properties of the folder and sharing option and click on advanced sharing. It's already created. Just I'm showing you once again. Check this box and go to permission and allow full control, change, read, and apply OK for everyone. OK, click OK and close it here. So once after that, you can go to the whatever the server you have joined the domain member. Go to run double backslash. What is the server name? AD. So what is a fully qualified domain name? Wipro.com backslash automatically CTX share is coming. Now click OK. Now the software file is showing here. Now from the domain, any software you can copy to the local system. It's very easy. Now I'm going to downloads and I'm pasting here. See, previously the software copy I have copied from my local system to AD server almost takes 16 minutes to 19 minutes. Okay. So now it's a less than 1 minute. The software is copying here. Now software is copied. So it's very easy, right? Network file share. So you can go to any of the domain join mission in the network location. You can access the drive location and you can copy and you can update the data. So now the third step, I'm going to install the web server. Okay, I'm going to install the web server on this particular Windows 2016 box. How to install the web server role? I hope you know very well how to install a web server role. But right now here, some application based web server role I'm going to install. Application based web server role I'm going to install. So right now, this server is a T2 micro. Okay. And this server memory and CPU is, okay, 1 GB RAM and only one CPU. 1 GB RAM and one CPU. How can you check the CPU? Go to run, okay, devmg mt.msc, devmg mt.msc, device manager. Now can go to processors, single processor, it is single processor. Now I want to increase the RAM for this machine. I want to increase the RAM for this machine. Is it possible to increase the RAM and CPU for the server? Yes, it is possible. Practically it is possible, but it is a chargeable. Okay. So Buchi, so I'm going to change the server uh, server RAM and CPU to the next level because of with 1 GB RAM, 1 CPU, you cannot able to install. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. So now I'm selecting this storefront server, go to action. Okay. And instance settings is there. Instance settings is there. Now in the instance settings, you can check this. Change instance type is a grayed out. Okay. Why? Because of the machine is turned on. What we can do, go to instance, stop. So better I'll go for normal shutdown. Go to start, power, shutdown. Then next, I'll refresh here. This will take a couple of minutes to shut down this machine. Okay. Select the server, instance settings, change instance type, T2 micro to some other machine. So, but it'll be chargeable. Okay. Make sure you have to check the instance type. Check the instance type. The exact instance type like a 2 GB RAM, sorry, 4 GB RAM, 2 CPUs like that, you can check that. Better, I'll go to instance, launch instance. Okay. Go to the launch instance. Here, instance type is there. Better you can compare here. So now, if you check this, so T2 medium, so 2 CPUs and 4 GB RAM. T2 medium is the best method. I'm going to select T2 medium. T2 medium. Apply. Now I can start the server.
It is chargeable now, Rajesh.
So now the server is initializing. So please wait for some other time because the server is changing the IP address. Then you can copy the new IP address, go here, and you can update here. Done. Now you can see here the machine is T2 micro. Still it is showing the old information. You can check this 4 GB RAM. It was successfully modified. No problem. This will update very late. Don't worry. Go to downloads and select the server and you can mount it and select the software and run as administrator. So different projects, different applications they'll install. Just I'm taking small example. Okay.
But it is chargeable now, that one
Yeah,
server
it's a
is.
chargeable.
Without
That's what
chargeable, we can't make it.
normal web application we can install with 1 GB RAM, but really we are doing some other project in Citrix for Citrix batch. So that's why I'm practicing this one. But if you're interested, you can do that. Otherwise, I'm not entertained. Okay.
Okay.
So click on virtual apps and desktop. So see here, there is a software name, service name called Storefront. Click on that. Now, this is also web server only, the Windows web server. Accept the software. Next. Now Storefront is installing. So this application is depending on the ATN 443. And prerequisite for this Microsoft management, sorry, Microsoft Internet Information Service, that is a web service role. Click on install. This will take a couple of minutes to install. Okay, please wait. So different sessions, I'm installing the web application. Every time I'm installing the same Microsoft IaaS service, it's getting boring, right? So if I get a chance, at least if I'm showing some real-time application, you'll be very happy, right? So that's why I'm showing here. No problem. Okay. If you're not practicing also, that's not a problem. At least you are able to see the real-time concepts, how they're using the AWS infrastructure. That is enough. This is one of the live practical showing I'm showing you. So for everyone here, I'll create a user ID and through that storefront server, you'll be logging in. So that's a small project I'm presenting to you today. So everybody connected from laptop?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. you can see here successfully completed and click next and finish it. Okay. So wait for a few minutes. The page will open. So now this is actually the storefront login page is a customized web page. I'm going to create a new deployment. There's a base name I need to create. So for the base one, we can set up any kind of friendly name. So right now this will work internally. So very soon, very soon, I'll be publishing in the internet area also. So the website name is hellorana.com. I think rana.com or rana.in. I forgot. Let me check that. Yeah, this is my name only. So what I'm trying to do, just I'm giving the friendly name. But when I'm giving the friendly name I need to create in the AD level. Here we have a DNS services. In the DNS service, I think as selected wrongly. I'm going to create some alias record. So what is the friendly name you need? Hello, Rana, the name I'm going to create. So which is pointing to which server? Storefront server. And click OK. Accept the authentication. Done. So if I'm connecting hellorana.wipro.com, it will be connecting to stf.wipro.com. Is a friendly name redirection. Click on next. Now the base URL is creating. I think I did a small mistake. Again, sorry. I should not give .com. That will be wrong step. Better I'll stop here. End task. Okay, done. Go to start, storefront. Yes. My bad. Then I need to go to appis.cpl. I need to uninstall it. I don't have any other option. Again, I need to install the same role. I need to change it because of in between that I have canceled that, right? So the complete application was broken. We just click OK and we had remove other products as well.
Mehul, what's going around?
Yes, I'm waiting for you. And I have
You can see here, it is asking to restart the mission,
Mhm.
cancel it, go to start, restart. Because of restart is the components were uninstalled. That's the reason. Maybe this will take Windows updates, uninstallation and rebooting. So wait for some time. Now successfully connected the server. now can go to the downloads and we can install the software.
Then you are in that one. Any actor reboot where you will again get it, you are not able to take the other.
Correct, sir. Yeah.
So, change that point, it is pending. Reality is I cannot accept it because I send it over the mails and everything. I did my research and I depended on the call as well.
A quick finish.
They also
So now
to get
here
that.
I'm just giving
Yeah, you will written also update.
hello Rana.
Yes, yes. From Amit and Susie
Next.
also updated that.
Now the base URL is created.
If everything is done, then let's run through this slide, But yeah, before that, let's wind up our EAU and then we can.
Yes, yes. Sure, sure.
So okay, so now the server is ready. Now we can close the window and go to the C drive, inetpub, www root. We have a default web page is there. The default web page, now we got it. Now this page, if you want to access from internal, suppose I'm in the AD server, I'm going to access the page. Open the browser. Okay. I'm going to access the page. How I'll be accessing? Normally with IP address, right? Now I don't want that. See? Hello. Rana.wipro.com. When I hit enter, the request will be go to DNS and DNS will be identifying that, okay, the name is updated to forwarding to STF01, then the page is coming here. So this is a way in real-time environment, so many applications we are delivering and we are able to access. Understand? Example, timesheet, HRMS, and a leave, and any other internal sites, everything was hosted like this only in your real-time environment. So nowadays, almost all the environments are moving to the cloud. Even cloud also, they're building like this. Are you clear? So how do they set up a web environment in the cloud with the AD and DNS?
Yes, sir.
Right? But this address cannot be accessible publicly because of Wipro.com is already company is there. So we don't want that. So I have already hellorana.com, the website I purchased. Okay. Going forward, we'll do that. Okay. Any other question, please? No questions? Thank you all. See you tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.